Hi, welcome to my channel. Please do well to leave a comment, subscribe, and like, please. This video is so special to me because my children got to see dog for the very first time. Yeah, it is not covered, but it was so amazing. Their reaction was so amazing to me. Please watch to the very end, okay? Leave a comment for me. Thank you and God bless you for the support. I love you. Lovely, good evening, how you doing? It's your girl Be Love. Okay, so we're just going for desert camping. This is winter, it's cold, like cold, man. So we are just going for desert camping. This is the first time in the winter, so we're gonna see how it will look like. So everything we need to have, we'll send them over there. So we're just going down there now with my family to go and catch some fun. Join me and let's get a beautiful ride to the desert. Subscribe please if you have not subscribed to my channel. Please. Thank you so much. Thank you to my old subscribers. Thank you for my returning subscribers. I'm so appreciative of you. I'm grateful. Please do well to refer my videos, share them, and God will bless you for me. Thank you so much. Ciao. All right guys, sorry I just started during on time, so on our way right now to the desert. What's the time now? This is just a few minutes to 6 p.m. You can see it is dark already. That is Kuwait for you. Just few minutes to 6 p.m. This is just 5:58 p.m. 5:58 p.m. Just in the next 2 minutes it's gonna be 6. Oh, already 5:59 p.m. Just 1 minute. It is 6 p.m. Well, it's already dark, like dark. It's the winter season. Sorry, you can't see much because it is dark. Kuwait is a very beautiful country, like I said before. It's such a beautiful place.
Keep left to continue towards Sheikh Zayed bin Sultan Al Nahyan Road, Route 5.
Missed that bridge view. Oh my god, this is a long trip. Oh my goodness, look at that. It's far from this side. Don't worry, one of these days I'll take you guys on tour, like Kuwait City, to see places. This place is beautiful. It is awesome. That's Grand Avenue. Where we're heading to is really far, seriously far, because for you to get to avenues and you know yet where you're headed to means still have a long way to go, but it's cool. Enjoying the ride with my husband and my wonderful friends, my princess, my king, and my princess that I care company home center. Okay, as you can see, this is camping area. All right, so that's the camping area of the desert. We are somewhat close. Yay!
And then we mix everything.
This is Doha Road. So one can actually go to Doha by road from Kuwait. Just where we are right now. Look at it. Oh, I missed it. That is Doha Road. You see? That is Doha Road. Oh my goodness.
600 meters, keep right to continue toward Jara Road.
Alright, you can see the camping area. These are stuffs that people are selling. You can buy camping materials. This is the desert area we are in right now. Yeah, these are camping materials. can't get inside the camping area where some persons are really camping. Yeah. Alright, so this is what the desert is like. It's in the middle of nowhere, nobody's here. Trust me, this is Africa, I'll be scared, like scared. Alright, so we are close by. Just about 7 minutes away to our camp tent. Yay! Who is ready to see the place? I am so ready. Okay, so we are inside the desert itself. You can see other people that are camping here, different camping tents. Guys, you see that car right now? We are in front of us. The car just sank into that sand. Ours may go through because we are carrying a bigger car, but this is totally not fair enough, guys. This is what the desert is like. So finally we got help. See someone's tent right there. Someone came to help us out. That's another car in front taking us to where our tent is, because trust me, we've been on the road for like, this is over 2 hours. What's the time? This is 11 minutes after 8, and we left the house by what time? Oh my goodness, we left the house around 5:58. This is 11 minutes after 8 p.m. How many hours on the road? Oh good, we're heading there now. Alright, so we just go to the tent. Let's make a video when I come down. Okay. Yeah, so we're going down now. So we just got to the car.
Okay.
This is where they're making here?
Yes.
Oh my god. Yeah, I'm coming. Okay. Hi, how are you? Good. Thank you. Hi, good evening. Hi, good to see you. Hi.
Oh, madam, have a seat.
Oh, thank you. Hi, how are you? Son, come inside. Okay, removing your shoe. Good boy.
Thank you. Yeah. Thank you. See you on Sunday.
If you want to come, try to come in the day night.
Okay.
At the daylight.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay? Because now it's springtime.
Yes.
The weather is very nice.
Nice. Very nice.
Okay?
This time I'll come. It's
Okay.
nice. A beautiful experience.
Hi guys, we just arrived at the tent right now. It's such a beautiful place, you can see. That's the place to log in. That's where you can relax and sleep and all that. And right inside there, you see where the men are. I think I'm the only lady among all the men here. I was thinking I was gonna see other ladies for this tent. I mean, yeah, I'm the only lady here right now. The weather is freakingly cold. Oh my god, it's cold. Like I'm literally shaking. Seriously guys, my hands I have to put this in my pocket because it's cold, really cold. Okay, I just came out here to show you guys around. So right now let's go to where we are. We'll have something like a Nigerian suya. Okay, go over there. I think it's better in here so that I can feel warm. Just finished making the suya now, and some other meats and stuff like that. So you can see this is not made, right? Beef, not made yet. Okay, that's beef, chicken, okay. This one, okay, this one is made now. This is wow.
Ribs.
Can I touch that? Ooh, you see? That's what lamb ribs. Oh my god. We're gonna eat this night and make maybe. Okay. You also see the meat.
عشان رسم المقبلات يبي له ربع ساعة عشان يجي هو يخبز أنا بلش الشوي عشان اللحم
mixed with chicken all together and a lot
لكم 12 تكون
That's the sauce now.
الى ربع ساعه عشان يجهز ما عشان هو يجي يخلص
Tavi your host too.
What's the name of this?
They have different names. All
What's the
different.
name?
يجي عشان
Gabba.
Hummus.
Okay, hummus that you used to eat.
Hummus.
I used to eat the bread and the meat and the. Oh yeah, this is my new friend. I just got a new friend. Sorry. That's Sultan. I just got a new friend here now. Yeah. Sorry.
No.
All right. So.
Hello.
Yeah. Thank you.
That's our host.
Yeah, that's our host.
Yeah.
Thank you so
Abdurrahman.
much. Good.
Yeah,
Good to meet you all here.
Smart
today.
man.
Oh, very smart. Thank you. With his glasses, you know that he's very smart. All right, guys. So we're just going inside now. Mr. Ali. Say hi. That's my friend's husband. Okay, so these are the food gets to be fixed before we start eating. Okay, you pour now. Okay, that's the coffee. Yeah. Okay. So hot. Oh, the smell alone is there. The aroma. It's okay, I'll take it. It's very hot. Oh my god. Cheese. I'm not drinking, please take it.
يلا تغيير جو. اقول سوف اقدم الغرفة.
Okay, thank you. Okay, that's my own food. Baby, you eat meat? Hot, baby. But Mama's gonna give you a cake. Sorry. Thank you. Son, let's eat. Hi guys, so that's my food. That's a steak. This is beef.
Our money with you.
This is lamb steak. Oh my god. That's my lamb steak. This one is chicken. And the couscous, that's the sauce. So just finished dinner and everybody's coming out. Going to the place to drink. The only lady I'm
Please subscribe.
This is our friend that hosted us today in the tent
please.
camp. Well, this place is a Kuwait tent camp, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Camping ground, okay?
Camping ground, okay. So he was our host today. We just finished and we are going and we're saying thank you so much. We had fun. This is my first tent
Experience.
yeah.
Beloved
Yeah,
TV.
Beloved
It's
TV.
very good.
Subscribe, please. Thank you. This is
Thank you very much.
The big on that. Chopping great money. Please subscribe. Mr. What's his name now? Ali. Mr. Ali, please come. That's my friend's husband. He just had a baby boy. How many days ago?
10 days.
10 days ago, he'd say father now, the newest father in town. Mr. Ali, tell people to subscribe to my channel.
Please subscribe to
Beloved TV.
Beloved TV.
Yeah. Thank you. And Sultan, yeah.
Hello, welcome.
Yeah.
تكلم عربي روح.
ها؟
خبص كيفك.
ويلكم تو
قول
يا اخو.
Subscribe Vlog TV. Yeah.
We are happy to meet you. You are welcome here in Kuwait and this is live.
You love TV.
Yes, sure.
Come on, I will see the dog.
Bobby,
The dog almost puppy.
بابي ها غيرتوك شو مسمينك؟ مسمينه بابي مسمينه طراح لو يعرف طراح حاجه.
Alright, so that is just that. I hope you had fun with me. Yeah, this was my food. I enjoyed it, man. Oh, I want to experience this again. Like, seriously, I want to experience this again. But you know what? I would love it to be during the day. Yes, during the day, so that I can capture everything. Do you know there was a camel there? They have places for farm, for camel, for rearing of camels, for goats, animals and stuff. But I couldn't record them because it was dark. And the joyful part is that my children saw puppies, 2 puppies, male and female. My little boy literally put his finger in the mouth of the dog. I had to quickly rush and wash his hands off and all that. So I enjoyed the trip, though I didn't want to go initially because of the COVID-19 and all that. But my husband said, no, let's go together. And it was fun. And there was a lady I was expecting to see there with her family, but she couldn't make it. But I enjoyed myself, and I want to enjoy it again next time. Please leave a comment for me. Thank you for always supporting me. Please support this channel to grow more and more. Share my videos, leave a thumbs up for me and a positive comment. God bless you. See you in my next video.